Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to join clips. So in order to join two clips, it is a different method, and in order to join multiple clips, it is a different method. So I will start with two clips. First thing, in order to join two clips together, you will have to select them, right click and click link. Now as you can see, this video right here has appeared, and this means that these two clips are linked. If you want to undo it, then go over to right click and unlink. Now as you can see, I can move them freely. But if I have more clips, let's say, I have to select them all and then right click and click on group. Right now I can move with all the clips by just moving one clip. If you want to undo it, go over here, so select them, right click and ungroup. Now you can move them freely one by one. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.